Hi guys, once again, welcome sa week 17 at welcome sa computer application for the workplace and integrated software application. So, this is our last week sa ating topic. Okay, so uh, ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa working with tables o tungkol sa tables. Okay, tables in PowerPoint. So one of the most powerful data representation technique is the use of table. The table allows information to be segregated, making it easy to read. PowerPoint has features that let you add tables in slide and also format them to enhance their visual effect. So what's more, these tables are also compatible with Microsoft Excel. So you can basically take a spreadsheet or a section of a spreadsheet and paste it into slide as a table. So pag nagki-create kasi tayo ng table dito sa sa PowerPoint, parang Microsoft Excel siya na mayroon cell, may rows, may column. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pwede niyong i-paste yung ginawa niyo sa Microsoft Excel sa PowerPoint. Okay? So yan. So, to create a table, step 1, go to the tables group under the insert ribbon. Okay? So from insert table, okay, to insert table, click the insert ribbon, then from tables, yan, tables group, yan, dito yung may arrow. So click mo lang yan, then pwede kang click on the drop down and select your table dimension from the matrix. Okay? So yung table dimension mo kasi, pwede mo example, mag-create ka ng ito, naka-highlight na yan, 2, 4. Apat na column with 5, 2, 4, 5 na row. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung column 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. So then yan habang dinadrag mo yung mouse o kaya ginagalaw mo yung mouse through the dimension or table dimension. So lumalabas agad sa dito sa may tawag nito sa may slide. Okay? So yan yung kung paano, or just click insert table. Okay? So para mag-insert ka dito sa slide. Yan. Then if you require more than 10 columns or 8 rows, click on insert table to open the insert table dialog box where you can specify the column and row count. Yan. So pwede mong i-specify dito. Example, insert table. Pwede mong i-specify kung ilang column at ilang rows yung gusto mong i-create. Yan. Automatic yan. Pag in-okay mo yan, click mo yung okay. Example, yung 5 and 2 na yan, default. We have 5 columns and the number of rows is 2. Pag okay mo yan, lalabas dito sa slide yung ginawa mo o yung table na in-specify mo. Okay? Then, PowerPoint table is a simple table that does not support the mathematical features of an Excel spreadsheet. If you want to carry out some calculation, you can insert an Excel spreadsheet instead of a regular table. Okay, so pag since hindi niya support yung mathematical feature ng spreadsheet, okay, sa PowerPoint, pwede mong mag-insert ng Excel spreadsheet. Okay? So, click mo lang yung drop-down arrow, table, from table group. Then, lalabas yung mga option, di ba? Yung mga insert table, draw table, Excel, ito. Excel spreadsheet. Okay? So, pag-click mo yan, ang mangyayari, parang yung table na lalabas sa sa PowerPoint, yung parang sa Microsoft Excel. Okay? Yan. So, yun yung ano niya, yun yung isang feature niya kung paano ka mag-create ng uh, uh, table sa PowerPoint. Okay? So, kung pwede mong i-insert yung Excel at saka yung nakikita mo naman pag nag-create tayo ng table sa PowerPoint, yan, yung parang may format na, may kulay-kulay na siya, automatic. Dito pwede mo rin i-format yung table mo. Okay? Yung table natin kasi mayroon siyang dito sa may design, yan, table tapos design. Pwede mong tawag doon, i-format, okay, o i-configure o kaya i-design, lagyan ng design. Okay? So meron tayong table design features sa tinatawag. Okay, you will now understand the table design features in PowerPoint. So meron tayong yung feature is table style option. So sub menu, yan. Header row, total row, banded rows, first column, last column, and banded columns. At header row adds different shade to the first row to distinguish it. And the total row add a different shade to the last row to distinguish it. Then the banded row shades alternate rows in the table with the same color. Yan. So, yan yung mga table design features. Yan. We have table style, yan, shading, border, and effect. Yan yung laman niya. Okay, sa shading, offers different shades to be added to selected table, row, column, or cell. You can pick from solid shade, texture, image, or gradient shading. Okay, yan yung mga feature ng table design. Okay, we have also the border. So you can add a border on the table. Offers different border option for the table. You can edit the border color, thickness, and style. Yung double underline or double border, yan, may mga design din siya. Saka yung kakapal ng line na gusto mong ilagay sa table mo, nandun din siya. Yung border, yung kulay. Yan yung mga option. Okay? And we have also the effect. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng shadow, ng reflection, yan. It offers the ability to create table shadow or reflection, and you can also create bubbles for individual cells. Okay, yan yung table style. Okay, dito naman tayo sa word art style. Under dito sa word art style, we have text fill. Yan allows you to change the color of the text within the table. Yan. So within the table, ibig sabihin kahit na nasa tawag doon sa mga column o rows, yan, o cell, nandun siya. So individual yan. Individual color pwede mong i-apply dyan sa text fill. Then sa text outline naman, okay, pag sinabi kasi nating outline, yun yung line na nakapaligid sa text. Okay? Allows you to add an outline to the text within the table and change the outline color, weight, and style. Yan. And we have also the text effects. Allows you to add specific or spatial effect like reflection, shadow, etc. to the text within the table. Yan. Shadow, reflection, ano pa? O pwede ka ring mag-add ng word art kung gusto mo, di ba? And quick styles contains a list of predefined word arts. Yan. Styles that can be applied to the selected text within the table with a single click. Okay? So ganun yung table natin sa PowerPoint. Okay? Marami tayong pwedeng gawin kasi ito nga yung presentation na tinatawag. So pwede kang mag-apply sa text within the table. Yan. Text field, text outline, text effect, and quick styles. Yan. And also you can also draw a border, okay, or borders. So under draw borders, we have the pen style that defines the style of the table border when you draw it. Okay, the pen weight, yan, defines the thickness of the table border when you draw it. So yan yung weight ng or thickness ng line, yan, kapag nagdo-draw ka ng border. Pen color defines the color of the table border when you draw it. Yan. Yung kulay ng border ng table border kapag ginuguhit mo siya. Or the draw table allows you to append new rows, columns, cells to existing table, split existing rows, yan, columns or cells, and draw brand new tables. Okay? Sa kahit na blanco yung slide mo or yung working area mo sa PowerPoint, you can draw a table. Okay? So pag nagdo-draw ka kasi ng table, parang dinadrag mo lang yung table o yung mouse and mag-create ka ng box, di ba? Parang nag-create ka lang ng box, then lines, yon. So pag gusto mong hatiin into columns, yan, mag-draw ka lang ng line vertical. Okay? And pag column rows naman, draw ka ng line horizontally. Ngayon, kung gusto mong i-erase yung table, meron ding command or icon para sa eraser. Okay? Allows you to delete tables, border, and merge cell, rows, or column. Okay? Pag gusto mong samahin yung dalawang cell, yan. So pwede mong gamitin yung eraser, i-erase mo lang yung isang line, okay, within yung border, isang border, then magkasama na yung dalawang cell. Okay? So parehas din sa pag-create ng table sa PowerPoint o Microsoft Word, I should say. Sa Microsoft Word kasi medyo parehas lang yung pag-create sa PowerPoint. Okay? So you can draw a table, erase, yan. So mayroon ding mga pen style, pen weight, pen color, yan, yung draw table na yan. So nandun din sa Microsoft Word. Okay, may mga icon din siya na ganyan nagagamitin. Okay? So kung naranasan niyo sa Microsoft Word, madali na lang. Okay? Itong Microsoft Excel kasi table na siya. Okay, 'di ba? May rows and columns. Mayroon na siyang table, okay, sa Microsoft Excel. Kaya ang ginawa naman nila sa PowerPoint, nag-create sila ng option kung saan pwede mong insert yung tawag doon, yung Excel. Okay, yung window ng working window ng Microsoft Excel sa PowerPoint. Yan. May di ba kanina nakita niyo yung insert tawag doon, insert Excel spreadsheet. Yan yung option niya. So pag click niyo yan, ang mangyayari, yung window or yung working area ng ng spreadsheet or ng Microsoft Excel ay parang maipe-paste o lalabas sa window ng PowerPoint. Yan. So ngayon ito naman yung table format features. Okay? So you will now understand the various table format features in PowerPoint. Okay? Views, grid line, yan. So dito tayo sa layout, sa may format ribbon. Yan. Then layout. Okay, so ito yung mga under sa format features. Yan, sa table, select, allows you to select the entire table or the rows or columns depending on the position of your cursor. Then we have also to view the grid lines. Okay, so ano ba yung grid lines na yan? So yun yung mga lines sa mga table. Okay, example ito, yung table natin, yan, grid lines tawag yan. Then the toggles, the grid lines display within the table. Yan. Rows and columns. Delete, insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Yan. Sa delete, allows you to delete selected rows or column or the entire table. Yan. So, of course, pag nagde-delete tayo ng table at saka ng rows at saka column, dapat i-highlight muna natin, i-select muna natin kung ano yung row o table o column na gusto nating i-delete. Kasi lalo na pag nag-i-edit, di ba? Pag nag-i-edit tayo ng table, hindi naman lahat i-delete natin. So dapat i-select natin kung ano yung part ng table ang i-delete natin. So ibig sabihin, select natin lang yun. Okay? Select, then right click or just press the delete key. Okay? Kung mas maganda kung right click na lang para mamili kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin sa table nyo. Okay? And insert above. Insert a row above the row. Yan. Where the cursor is currently. If you haven't placed the cursor within the table, it adds a new row at the top of the table. Yan. Kung example yung Excel o yung cursor ay nakaselect sa isang table, pag nag-insert ka ng above table, yan, insert above, from yung taas ng kung nasaan yung cursor, yun doon mag-insert ng panibagong table. Ganon din sa insert below. Okay, kung nasaan yung cursor mo, sa baba naman niya mag-insert. Di ba? So ganon yun kung paano mag-insert ng table from above and below. So sa insert left naman, so ibig sabihin, pag insert left, doon tayo sa column, di ba? Column. Insert a column to the left of the column where the cursor is currently. Okay? If you haven't placed the cursor within the table, it adds a new column to the left of the table. Yan. New column. So, ganun din sa kung nasaan yung cursor, yan, left and right naman. yung pag ano, pero column na yung maki-create, hindi na hindi na row. Pag top and bottom, yun yung row yung maki-create. Okay? So, yan. Insert right, ganun din. Row column pa rin yan. Yung maki-create, and we have also the merge. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin ng merge? Pagsamahin, di ba? Allows you to merge cell, rows, or column. This is enabled only if you have selected more than one cell, row, or column. So hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin yung merge kapag iisa lang yung naka-select na cell o na column o kaya ng row. Di ba? So we have also the split cells. Allows you to specify the number of rows and column into which the current section of cell. Okay, need to be split. Okay, kung gusto yung ipag-splitin yung dalawang yung mga rows, yan, or column, pwede nyong gamitin yung split cells. And then we have also the cell size, height and width. Yan. Siyempre, sa Microsoft Excel, nung natapos ginamit natin yung row, height, and column width. Kung saan nag-resize tayo ng height ng row at ng column ng width ng column. Di ba? So, na-adjust natin yon. So, yan. When we have also distributed rows under cell size, equalize the height of all the rows to fit the current table height. Yan. Equalize. So, pag tawag doon yung yung size niya, yung height niya ay pagpapare-parehain niya. Yan. And also this distributed column, equalize the width of all the columns to fit the current table width. Yan. Alignment, horizontal align, vertical align, text direction, and cell margins. Yan. Siyempre, alam naman natin kung ano yung horizontal alignment. Allows you to align the selected text to the left, right, or center of the cell. Okay? And we have also the vertical alignment. Allows you to align the selected text to the top, bottom, or middle of the cell. Okay? And text direction allows you to change the direction of the selected text within the cell. Okay? So, pwedeng pahalang, mga ganun yung vertical, ganun yung yung alignment or text direction ng cell. Okay? Ng text sa loob ng cell. And cell margins allows you to define the margins within the cell. Okay? So, yun, yung under alignment. So, alam naman natin kung sa Microsoft Word, yung mga standard na text natin, yan, left align, center align, mga ganun, left, right align, and justify. And we have also the table size, height, width, yan, and lock aspect ratio. Height allows you to adjust the table height. Yan. It retains the relative heights of the individual rows while changing the overall table height. Yan. And width allows you to adjust the table width. It retains the relative widths of the individual columns while changing the overall table width. And aspect ratio, checking this box, will ensure the ratio between the table height and width is maintained when one of these is changed. Yan. So, yan yung under table size. Height, width, and block aspect ratio. Arrange. So, how to arrange the table? Okay, in PowerPoint, we have also like an object. Okay, bring forward, send backward, selection pane, and align. Okay, bring forward, meron din yan. Parang parang object yung table mo kung saan pwede mong i-bring forward, send backward, yan. Allows you to move the table up by one layer or right to the top. Yan. Pag bring forward kasi, parang nasa taas siya o kaya parang nasa harapan yung table mo. Okay? Kumbaga, pwede niyang ma-cover, okay? Matakpan yung mga text, ibang text. Okay? And send backwards allows you to move the table down by one layer or right to the bottom of the slide. Okay, yung send backward, ibig sabihin pwedeng behind text siya. Okay, nasa likod ng text. Yan. Yung table mo nasa behind text o kaya nasa likod ng text by one layer. Okay? So selection pane naman tago sa selection and visibility sidebar. And align allows you to align the entire table with the reference to the slide. So yun. Yun yung mga options o yung mga features, design, format ng table sa Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so since medyo maikli lang to yung ano natin, yung week 17, yan. So I hope na yung basic na commands ng features ng PowerPoint. Kaya hanggang sa nagsimula tayo sa Microsoft PowerPoint, I hope na na-discuss natin at I hope din na naintindihan natin. Okay? Kasi yung mga diniscuss natin dito, basic lang siya na kung saan yung ibang features niya, yung mga like yung graphs. Okay? Yun, hindi natin na-discuss yun. So, madali na lang yun kapag explore natin. Okay? Kasi meron na tayong knowledge sa basic. So kapag dagdagan pa natin yan, okay, mas maintindihan din natin. Okay? Kapag tayo mismo yung naka-explore o nakagawa. Okay, so since ito yung last week natin, okay, so dapat tapusin nyo na rin yung mga tapusin nyo na yung activities, okay, na nandyan sa module natin. Yan. So, yun nga, lagi kong sinasabi na kapag may actual o kaya kailangan nyo ng computer, so punta lang kayo dito sa school kasi open naman yung laboratory natin. Okay, so that's all and maraming salamat at sana naintindihan. Okay. And yan. God bless and goodbye.